3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello, I'm time. I'm precious, I'm priceless, but I'm free. I know no partiality, and the same to the poor, and the same to the rich, and the same to the young, and the same to the old. Some spend me, and some use me. Use me and see, I will help you reach your goals, dreams, and ambition. Use me and see, I will make you healthy and wealthy. I can make you progress and prosper. You can use me only once, you can't recycle me. I fly never to return. Don't use me next to next and say next time. Next time you may miss me and see my footprint is called too late. Give me as a gift to someone because I can heal, I can inspire, I can encourage, I can bring joy and happiness. I can teach you life lesson so you may know what really matters. I am yours. It's your time. Don't waste me. Take good care of me today and I will take good care of you tomorrow. Before I leave, I must say, I am given to you by God. Please give back some time to Him to pray, to say thank you, and to ask Him give you wisdom so you can use me properly. Hello, I'm time. I'm precious, I'm priceless, but I'm free. Hello, good morning. Have a great day. God bless you.